Lesson 5, developing discipline and self-control in trading. Discipline and self-control are essential qualities for successful trading. This is literally going to make or break your trading career. Lack of discipline can lead to impulsive and emotional trading decisions, which can result in losses. I'm sure you guys are very aware of this and probably have been a victim of your own emotional trading. To develop discipline and self control in trading, it is important to follow a well defined trading plan. So, you need to have a trading plan in place. If you haven't already, go take the Becoming a Trader course and we guide you through setting up your plan and kind of getting in the flow of the market so you know what to look for and what to put in your rules. You need to stick to a predetermined risk management strategy. So, how much are you going to risk per trade? And if you lose and you want to keep trading, do you have a risk management system in place to lower your risk as you trade more that day? Avoid emotional trading decisions and stick to objective analysis. So, as I was telling you in the previous videos, I used to have perfect setups. And then when price got to my setup, I became emotional and went against my setup and I resulted in a loss. I should have just stuck to what I knew, win or lose. At least it's to my rules, right? That is what you need to do. Also, setting realistic expectations and avoid greed. So you can't just make $10,000 in your first trade. You can't make $1,000 in your first trade. And if you do, write it off as gambling and you got lucky. You want to make sure you can consistently win and compound your money. So for me, on average, I'm averaging about $500 to $1,000 a day, $500 to $1,000 a day, and I compound that day after day, and that I'm fine with that. That is enough money to live and be free, and now I could focus on helping people and really give back to the community and just give everything I know and support you to grow to the best trader you can be. I don't need $10,000 days, and if they do come, I've had 2,000 to $2,500 days, and those were great. But that's not my goal, and that's not my expectation. My expectation is anywhere from 500 to 1,000 a day, and I know I could get that over and over again when trading. And all I need to do if I wanted to increase that is focus on that, but get more accounts and just do a trade copier across those accounts, and I'll get that 500 times, however many accounts. Right now I got 3, so that's 1,500. But on that one account, I'm focusing on 500 to 1,000. Let that trade copier do it to my other accounts. I don't worry about them. I just focus on that one account. Practicing discipline and self-control takes time and effort, but it is crucial for achieving long-term success in trading. So journaling every day has been what has helped me become disciplined and have that self-control. And then I also analyze myself when I wake up. If I have a headache or I'm just super sluggish, I'm not trading that day. I'm not forcing that because I know bad trades come from days like that. So I say, okay, I'm not going to trade today. Um, it's fine. I'm not going to make money today, but I could sleep in and give my body what it needs. So tomorrow I could come back fully rest up, fully ready to trade. And you just have to be truthful with yourself. Or if there's a big news event like FOMC, you don't trade at those times. Maybe you get the trading done in the morning, or you just take the day off because, even if you're right, sometimes those wicks will hit your stop loss before it goes the way you want to go. So I don't trade those, take the day off, enjoy my day, and go focus on something else. Maybe read a book, go for a bike ride, whatever else I like to do. Go do that, whatever you want to do. Find your happiness so when you don't trade, you have happiness to go do.